Welcome to this video. Today I'm gonna show you this Wi-Fi repeater with an internal router function, so you can switch between it if you want to have a router or a Wi-Fi repeater. First I will show you what is inside the box. I open it up. You got it in Germany from the supermarket Aldi. You know it under the name MAGINON, but this time it's from MAGINON. I think it's the same producer. In the box you got the repeater by itself. I will first put it away. Then a little package. One LAN cable. It's nice to have, and some for the guarantee, some papers, the manual and some other things. That's not so interesting. I will go to the repeater. Here we got the Wi-Fi repeater, aka router. On the front you have this text, Wi-Fi access point router, AC-750. 4 LEDs on the front, one for power, one for LAN, one for the WAN and LAN connection, I will come to that later, and one for the Wi-Fi connection. On the bottom we got one WAN or LAN connection, one LAN connection, the Wi-Fi connect button, the reset button, and here you can switch between router or repeater. The WAN connection is for when you got the repeater as a router, so here you plug in the modem and it would act as a router. On the left side we got this power switch where we can turn it on and off. On the back is this European connector, and this little button, you could think it's to change the connector, but it's hard to pull it out, you will only break it. To open it up you need 2 screwdrivers, or one if you press hard enough. This one for the little pieces inside of this holds. I got it out there, and now we take this screwdriver . So here we got the front away, and this is the first look inside of the repeater. We got 3 chips in it. One is for the Wi-Fi connection, one is for the repeater or router function, and one is for the network. Here we see one connector. It comes from this power supply, so it's on the different levels. And we see 3 antennas here for the 5G network and the 2.4G. So also we got these 2 connection pads here. They are RX and TX for a serial connection if you want to reprogram it or something like that. On the back side we got this SPI flash for the firmware from the chip, and we got this amplifier for the antenna from the Wi-Fi. Yeah, that's all for this. Here we got the power supply. I think it is 5 volts.